Yeah, good morning, everybody. Don here again. It is Saturday, the 29th, 30th. I don't know what it is. It's a Saturday after Thanksgiving. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. We did. We were up visiting Karen's mom and some of her other relatives, and we had a great dinner and a good time. And we came back Friday night, and I was hoping to get out hunting today. Unfortunately, today I have to play adult. I have been procrastinating getting my tractor ready for winter, and we got a big storm coming on Sunday that's supposed to run right through Tuesday and dump a foot or two of snow, and I got to get the tractor ready. So I'm going to blow off hunting today. Maybe I'll get out this afternoon, go to the dump, take care of the truck, and then I'm going to bring the tractor in the garage and put the chains on it. I dread that chore every year because those chains weigh about 150 pounds a piece. But yeah, I'll get that done, get the tractor ready, make sure everything's working, and we'll wait till the last minute, right? But big storm coming tomorrow, so gotta get stuff done and put deer hunting off for a day anyhow. Catch you in a bit. Oh, well, let's see if the tractor will start. I haven't fired up the tractor in a month. Temperature's down in the teens. Keep our fingers crossed. Ah! Oh, doesn't that just stink? All right, well, never easy with my old beater tractor. Work to do. Well, I expect I'll hear some grief from CJ over at Shit Happens, and I don't know, Capper probably won't watch this, but if he does, I was teasing those boys about their red tractors, orange, red, whatever. Said go big green. This old girl's seen better days, and I am not the best on keeping up with maintenance. So she's got a lot of broken plastic on her too. Oh well. The battery charger on it for a little while, make my run to the dump. Hopefully she'll start when I get back. Well, I should have just hooked the truck up to it and jumped it with the truck, but I tried getting it with the charger. I didn't have enough oomph. rear chain's on. Now I just got to put some big bungees on to tighten them up. I got the, I kind of cleaned the old canvas canopy. That thing is in rough shape, but this tractor is what, 16 years old now? I know that's not old for the tractor, but for canvas, it's had a rough life. So the doors, latches don't work. I went to get some latches and they cost 150 bucks a piece, so I tie one door shut and I bungee the other one, and keeps the wind off me, if nothing else. Yeah. It's a beautiful sunrise. I'm not hunting. Nope, I'm not hunting. I got to get this thing finished up. All right, well, Sunday morning, Sunday after Thanksgiving. Beautiful morning for hunting, but I got to get this tractor ready to go. Big storm coming in tonight, and I've neglected this puppy. So, back to work. All right. Well, battery's got a good charge on her. Did a little repair on the hood where that was broken. Shorted up with some tape. And I get the front chains on, get the grill back together, and get the hydraulics hooked up on the front once I get everything closed up. Then I should be good to go. I got to run to get some diesel and some diesel treatment, and hopefully this afternoon I'll get back out in the woods. Got to make sure this thing's ready to go. Still got to put the doors on it too. We're close. It goes. I bought some new battery terminals because these ones are just so corroded. That's why she wouldn't start. The battery didn't need charging. Had plenty of juice. What happened to buy cheap stuff? Went to my local Obashan Hardware. Bought these battery terminals. The ones that fit on the cable itself, clamp down 7/16, perfect fit. But the one that clamps to the terminal itself, the nut is less than a half, bigger than a 7/16. Bigger than an 11 millimeter, but smaller than a 12 millimeter. Where's this made? Made in China. Go figure, right? Oh well, gonna make do. Pretty much figure on stripping the next one out. Awesome. All right. Well, got the doors on. I'm gonna fix this one. Yeah, didn't used to close. The thing was jammed up in there, so up in here it was jammed. Put a little WD-40 on it, broke it loose with a screwdriver. And now she closes. No need to bungee it anymore. The other one I still got to tie shut. All right, snowplow's on, hooked up, fueled up, front chains, rear chains, enclosure, got the lights and the windshield wipers working. She's good to go. I'm gonna put it away, go take a shower. I'm going hunting. See you guys later. Have a good one.